Personal Finance for Beginners course. Empower yourself to take control of your finances. Managing personal finances can be intimidating, especially for beginners. Many people find themselves struggling with money matters and facing financial stress due to a lack of knowledge and skills in managing their personal finances effectively. However, with the right guidance and education, anyone can learn how to navigate the complex world of personal finance and achieve financial success. That's where a Personal Finance for Beginners course comes in handy. In this article, we will explore the importance of personal finance education for beginners and how a personal finance course can empower individuals to take control of their finances and build a solid financial foundation. Why is personal finance education important for beginners? Personal finance education is crucial for beginners because it provides them with the knowledge, skills, and tools needed to manage their money effectively. Many people are not taught about personal finance in school or by their parents, leaving them ill-equipped to make informed financial decisions. As a result, they may end up making costly mistakes, falling into debt, and struggling to achieve their financial goals. Personal finance education fills this knowledge gap and equips beginners with the necessary financial literacy to make smart money decisions and build a secure financial future. One of the main reasons why personal finance education is vital for beginners is that it helps them develop good financial habits early on. Habits such as budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt are critical for long-term financial success. By learning about these concepts through a personal finance course, beginners can establish healthy financial habits that will serve them well throughout their lives. They will learn how to create a budget, track their expenses, save for emergencies and future goals, invest wisely, and manage debt effectively. These skills are essential for building a strong financial foundation and achieving financial independence. Another important aspect of personal finance education for beginners is understanding the different types of financial products and services available. The financial industry can be complex and overwhelming, with various options such as bank accounts, credit cards, loans, insurance, and investments. Beginners need to learn about these products and services, their features, benefits, and risks, so they can make informed decisions that align with their financial goals and circumstances. Personal finance courses can provide comprehensive education on different financial products and services, helping beginners navigate the complex landscape of the financial world with confidence. Furthermore, personal finance education empowers beginners to be more informed consumers. Many people encounter financial scams, predatory lending, and other fraudulent practices that can drain their finances and jeopardize their financial security. By learning about personal finance, beginners can develop a critical eye and make informed choices when it comes to financial products, services, and providers. They will be able to recognize potential scams, understand their rights and responsibilities as consumers, and protect themselves from financial fraud. In addition to financial literacy and consumer protection, personal finance education for beginners also fosters financial confidence and empowerment. Money matters can be stressful and overwhelming, especially for those who lack financial knowledge and skills. Personal finance courses provide beginners with the tools and strategies to take control of their finances, set financial goals, and develop a plan to achieve them. This sense of empowerment can boost their confidence in managing money, reduce financial stress, and improve their overall financial well-being. How can a Personal Finance for Beginners course help? A Personal Finance for Beginners course is designed to provide individuals with the knowledge and skills they need to manage their personal finances effectively. These courses are typically structured and comprehensive, covering various topics related to personal finance in a systematic and organized manner. They may be offered online or in person, and may be self-paced or instructor-led. Here are some key ways in which a personal finance course can help beginners. Building a strong financial foundation. A personal finance course covers the fundamentals of personal finance, such as budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Beginners will learn how to create a budget that aligns with their financial goals, track their expenses, and make informed decisions about spending and saving. They will also learn about different saving and investing strategies, understand the power of compound interest, and learn how to manage debt effectively to avoid falling into financial pitfalls. By building a solid financial foundation through a personal finance course, beginners can set themselves up for long-term financial success. Understanding financial products and services. Personal finance courses provide beginners with a comprehensive understanding of different financial products and services. They will learn about various types of bank accounts, credit cards, loans, insurance, and investments, and how they work. This knowledge will empower beginners to make informed decisions about which financial products and services are suitable for their needs and financial goals. They will also learn about the associated risks and benefits of each product or service, enabling them to choose wisely and avoid costly mistakes. Developing good financial habits. Personal finance courses emphasize the importance of developing good financial habits early on. Beginners will learn about the importance of saving, investing, and managing debt responsibly. They will also learn about the importance of setting financial goals, creating a financial plan, and tracking their progress. By developing these good financial habits, beginners can lay the groundwork for long-term financial success and build a strong financial future. Understanding taxes and retirement planning. Personal finance courses often cover topics related to taxes and retirement planning, which are essential aspects of personal finance. Beginners will learn about the different types of taxes, how they are calculated, and how to minimize their tax liabilities through smart financial planning. They will also learn about retirement planning, including the different types of retirement accounts, investment strategies for retirement, and the importance of starting to save for retirement early. Understanding these topics will help beginners make informed decisions about their taxes and retirement planning, ensuring that they are financially prepared for the future. Enhancing financial decision-making skills. Personal finance courses focus on enhancing the financial decision-making skills of beginners. They will learn about critical concepts such as risk management, diversification, and asset allocation. They will also learn about how to analyze investment options, understand financial statements, and evaluate the risks and benefits of different financial decisions. These skills will enable beginners to make informed decisions about their finances, minimize risks, and maximize their financial returns. Improving financial awareness and consumer protection. Personal finance courses also aim to improve the financial awareness and consumer protection skills of beginners. They will learn about financial scams, fraudulent practices, and predatory lending, and how to protect themselves from financial fraud. They will also learn about their rights and responsibilities as consumers, how to read and understand financial contracts, and how to dispute inaccurate information on their credit reports. This knowledge will empower beginners to be more vigilant and informed consumers, protecting their financial interests and avoiding financial pitfalls. Gaining confidence and empowerment. Perhaps one of the most significant benefits of a personal finance course for beginners is the confidence and empowerment that it provides. Many people feel overwhelmed and stressed about their finances due to a lack of knowledge and skills. A personal finance course can change that by equipping beginners with the necessary tools and strategies to take control of their finances. They will learn how to set financial goals, create a plan, and make informed decisions about their money. This sense of empowerment and confidence will help beginners manage their finances with greater ease, reduce financial stress, and improve their overall financial well-being. Conclusion. In conclusion, personal finance education is essential for beginners to effectively manage their money and build a strong financial foundation. A personal finance for beginners course can empower individuals with the knowledge and skills they need to make informed financial decisions, develop good financial habits, and achieve their financial goals. From budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning, a personal finance course covers various aspects of managing one's finances. It helps beginners understand financial products and services, develop good financial habits, make informed decisions, and protect themselves as consumers. Ultimately, it empowers individuals with the confidence and knowledge needed to take control of their finances and build a strong financial future. With the increasing complexity of the financial world and the multitude of financial products and services available, personal finance education has become more important than ever. Many individuals find themselves struggling with debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or lacking the knowledge to effectively manage their finances. This is where a personal finance course specifically designed for beginners can make a significant impact. The course typically starts with the basics of personal finance, including understanding the concept of money, creating a budget, and tracking expenses. Beginners learn the importance of budgeting as a fundamental tool for managing their finances and achieving their financial goals. They learn how to set up a budget that aligns with their income, expenses, and financial priorities. They also learn how to track their expenses to gain visibility into their spending habits and make necessary adjustments to stay on track. As beginners progress through the course, they delve into the realm of saving and investing. They learn about different types of savings accounts, investment options, and strategies for building wealth over time. They understand the concept of compound interest, which can significantly impact their savings and investment growth in the long run. They also learn about the risks and benefits associated with different investment options and how to diversify their investments to minimize risks. Managing debt is another crucial aspect covered in a personal finance course. Beginners learn about different types of debt, such as credit card debt, student loans, and mortgages, and how to manage them effectively. They learn strategies for paying off debt, managing interest rates, and avoiding falling into a debt trap. They also understand the importance of maintaining a good credit score and how it impacts their ability to borrow money in the future. Understanding financial products and services is another significant component of a personal finance course. Beginners learn about different types of bank accounts, credit cards, loans, insurance, and investments, and how they work. They gain knowledge about the features, fees, and risks associated with each product or service. This understanding empowers them to make informed decisions about which financial products and services are suitable for their needs and financial goals, avoiding unnecessary fees and pitfalls. Taxes and retirement planning are critical topics covered in a personal finance course. Beginners learn about the different types of taxes, how they are calculated, and how to minimize their tax liabilities through smart financial planning. They also learn about retirement planning, including the different types of retirement accounts, investment strategies for retirement, and the importance of starting to save for retirement early. Understanding these topics helps beginners plan for their future and ensure they are financially prepared for retirement. One of the essential aspects of a personal finance course is the emphasis on developing good financial habits. Beginners learn the importance of saving, investing, and managing debt responsibly. They learn about the importance of setting financial goals, creating a financial plan, and tracking their progress. They also learn about the value of an emergency fund and the importance of building a strong financial foundation. By developing these good financial habits, beginners can set themselves up for long-term financial success. Another crucial component of a personal finance course is enhancing financial decision-making skills. Beginners learn about risk management, diversification, and asset allocation, which are critical concepts for making informed financial decisions. They learn how to analyze investment options, understand financial statements, and evaluate the risks and benefits of different financial decisions. These skills empower beginners to make sound financial decisions, minimize risks, and maximize their financial returns. Improving financial awareness and consumer protection is also an important aspect of a personal finance course. Beginners learn about financial scams, identity theft, and other financial frauds that can target unsuspecting individuals. They learn how to protect themselves against these risks by being cautious with their personal information, understanding the signs of financial scams, and knowing how to report suspicious activities. They also learn about their rights as consumers and how to navigate the complex world of financial regulations and laws. This knowledge empowers beginners to make informed decisions and protect themselves from financial risks. In addition to the core topics mentioned above, a personal finance course may also cover other relevant areas such as insurance, estate planning, and charitable giving. Insurance is an important aspect of personal finance as it helps protect against unforeseen events such as accidents, illness, or natural disasters. Beginners learn about different types of insurance, including life insurance, health insurance, auto insurance, and home insurance, and how to choose the right coverage for their needs. Estate planning is also a crucial topic as it involves preparing for the distribution of one's assets after death. Beginners learn about wills, trusts, and other estate planning tools to ensure their assets are distributed according to their wishes. Charitable giving is another important aspect of personal finance for those who wish to give back to their communities or support causes they care about. Beginners learn about different ways to give to charitable organizations and the potential tax benefits associated with charitable giving. In addition to theoretical knowledge, a personal finance course may also include practical exercises and real-world examples to help beginners apply what they have learned. These may include budgeting exercises, investment simulations, case studies, and other interactive activities that provide hands-on experience in managing personal finances. This helps beginners develop practical skills and gain confidence in managing their own finances. A well-designed personal finance course for beginners should also provide resources for further learning and support. This may include recommended books, articles, websites, and other sources of information on personal finance. It may also include access to financial tools, calculators, and software that can help beginners manage their finances effectively. Moreover, the course may provide opportunities for networking and peer learning, allowing beginners to connect with other individuals who are also learning about personal finance and share experiences and insights. In conclusion, A personal finance course for beginners is a valuable educational tool that equips individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to effectively manage their finances. It covers various aspects of personal finance, including budgeting, saving, investing, managing debt, understanding financial products and services, taxes, retirement planning, developing good financial habits, improving financial decision-making skills, and enhancing financial awareness and